Thinking about our own passing is never easy. It's a sensitive topic that most of us prefer to avoid. But pre-planning your funeral is one of the most thoughtful gifts you can leave your loved ones. In this video, we'll guide you through the benefits, the practical steps to get started, and important pitfalls to watch out for. Please remember, this guide is for informational purposes and is not legal advice. Let's begin. The most immediate benefit of pre-planning is financial predictability. Historically, funeral costs rise by 2 to 4% every single year. Left unaddressed, these expenses can multiply by the time your family needs them. By pre-planning and prepaying, you lock in today's prices, protecting your loved ones from future inflation. Providers often offer flexible payment plans, letting you cover costs gradually, sparing your family from a sudden, heavy financial burden. Prepaid plans also offer crucial asset protection. In many cases, these specific funds are shielded from asset calculations if you ever require long-term government care assistance. Ultimately, you are securing your legacy and protecting your family's financial future. The greatest gift of pre-planning a funeral is the emotional peace it brings. By clearly documenting your wishes, you remove the heavy burden of guesswork from your grieving family. Instead of agonizing over what you would have wanted or arguing over different interpretations, they have a clear roadmap to follow. This clarity also protects your loved ones from the pressure to overspend. During the shock of loss, emotional guilt often drives families to purchase expensive arrangements. By making these choices yourself, you remove the stress of financial decision-making. Ultimately, pre-planning is a profound act of love. It brings you true peace of mind, granting your family the space to simply support one another. Step 1 in pre-planning is choosing your service type. A traditional burial often includes a viewing, a formal service, and a graveside commitment. Cremation offers flexibility, allowing for a later memorial service or a direct cremation. If you are eco-conscious, green burials use biodegradable materials and avoid harsh chemicals to conserve natural landscapes. Alternatively, you might prefer a celebration of life, focusing on joyous memories, upbeat music, and sharing stories, rather than traditional mourning. Finally, decide between a formal religious ceremony or a personalized secular gathering. Making this choice now ensures your final farewell perfectly reflects your values. When it is time to choose a funeral home, don't settle for the first one you call. Plan to visit 2 or 3 different locations to get a true feel for their facilities and staff. By law, every funeral provider must give you an itemized general price list, often called a GPL. Request this document from each home and compare their services side by side to ensure you are getting fair value. Finally, sit down with a funeral director to discuss prepayment options. Ask exactly how your funds are protected if the business ever closes. Clarifying this today ensures your family is protected tomorrow. Step 3 is where you get into the fine details by documenting your specific wishes. The more specific you are, the less your family has to guess. Document exactly what you envision. Do you prefer a traditional casket or a specific style of urn? Note your preferred music, readings, and who you would like to speak. Include personal touches, like requesting charitable donations instead of flowers. Outline key facts for your obituary, and specify your clothing and personal items. Finally, state your preferences for a final resting place, whether that is a peaceful cemetery plot or having your ashes gently scattered over a beautiful body of water. Step 4 is funding your arrangements, so your family doesn't face an unexpected financial burden. A prepaid funeral plan lets you pay a funeral home directly in advance, often locking in today's prices for services. Alternatively, a payable on death or POD bank account lets you set aside funds and name a direct beneficiary. When the time comes, they can access the money immediately, bypassing the lengthy and stressful probate process. You might also consider funeral or final expense insurance. These are smaller life insurance policies specifically designed to cover your final expenses, providing a reliable, quick cash payout to your loved ones. Finally, funeral trusts allow you to set money aside safely. These funds are legally protected and dedicated strictly to your funeral costs. Each option has unique benefits, so review them carefully with a professional to find your perfect fit. You have done the hard work of pre-planning, but those plans are useless if no one knows they exist. The most critical step is sharing your wishes effectively. Start by giving copies of your plans to trusted family members. Store your original documents alongside your last will and testament in a fireproof home safe or a clearly labeled drawer. Inform your executor or power of attorney exactly where to find them. Remember, avoid keeping these time-sensitive plans in a bank-safe deposit box, which may be sealed until after the funeral. While pre-planning offers peace of mind, always read the fine print. Pay close attention to cancellation policies so you know if your funds are fully refundable if you move or change your mind. Verify your state's protections for prepaid funds. Laws vary, so ensure your money goes into a secure trust. Also, stay focused on your budget and be prepared to politely decline expensive upsells you do not need. Treat your plan as a living document by reviewing it every few years. Most importantly, keep meticulous records of all payments and contracts in a safe place and ensure your family knows exactly where to find them. While planning your funeral is a beautiful gift to your family, true peace of mind comes from holistic end-of-life preparation. This means documenting your estate wishes, consolidating bank account information, and keeping life insurance policies and beneficiary details in one secure place. To make this process seamless, consider using tools like Eversettled. It is designed to help you organize all your vital documents and estate settlement details, ensuring your loved ones have everything they need without the stress of searching. Take the first step today and relieve your family's burden. Visit funeralist.com and explore our comprehensive directory to find professional pre-planning services right in your area. Your legacy deserves to be handled with care. Thank you so much for watching. We hope this step-by-step guide has shown you that pre-planning your funeral doesn't have to be overwhelming. In fact, it is one of the most loving and thoughtful gifts you can leave for your family, giving them true peace of mind during a difficult time. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more guidance. We would also love to hear from you. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. Take care, and we will see you in the next video.